Guys, this is Amir Finches. Let me explain a little bit about why we need to file the bird claws. Okay, because in the wild, they sit on rocks, rough surface. So the claws get filed, and the beaks also get smoothened up and filed. As they rub against the hard surface like rock, rough surfaces on rocks. Yeah. So we as owners, when we keep songbirds in cages, right? They don't get this opportunity to do it. So we as owners have to do it, or you do it on your own, or you get somebody else to do it for you. It would be better if you can get someone else to do it, so the songbird don't get startled when they see you, because they don't know what you're going to do when you approach their cage. So it's always safe to get somebody else to do it for you. So please watch this video. Thank you.